And we request Rahul Kanwal, Rohit Chawla and Karan Pal Singh to join us. This next category is Public Art Installation of the Year Award.
This award is for someone who's elevated a religious function beyond the realm of faith and culture to a profound collective experience. He has reimagined the idol of the goddess Durga as an idea, inviting reflection, inquiry, and dialogue. His Durga Puja pandals are creations where art, philosophy, and public life converge, some of them begging you to pause and question. And let's announce his name.
Let's get the winner. Bring the envelope, please.
Since we've already
Please
said what
here.
he does, I may as well just announce his name. The winner is Partha Das Gupta. And you're watching his work right here.
Partha Das Gupta transforms Durga Puja into a canvas of contemporary thought and wonder. His visionary collaborative installations reimagine the goddess as an idea, sparking reflection and dialogue. His pandals create immersive worlds where art, philosophy, and public life converge, turning ritual into profound experience. In redefining public spaces, he expands India's public art language. It is our honor to present the Public Art Installation of the Year Award to Partha Das Gupta.
Partha, can you tell us about what happened here? How did you do this amazing demonstration? What was your motivation? What were you thinking about?
First of all, I'd like to thank all of the distinguished seniors, my pranam and Jai Durga, and love to my colleagues. It's unbelievable. It's something for me to share stage with you, sir, and all my fellow people. Fantastic. Actually, Durga Puja, nowadays, it becomes a platform of art practice. So, during Durga Puja, actually we didn't invite anyone to be a part of, or just to gather in front of the pandal, in front of the installation. Just they come on their own. And what happened there is, it's like an infection, art infecting the city. So, when actually, Durga Puja was celebrated in the households, preliminary. Thereafter, people like us who got some institutional training, while we got out from the institutions, I found that how unsafe I am. Thereafter, I'm looking for somewhere where the crowd is, where the mass is. And then I try to add something with the tradition. So Durga Puja now becomes, for me, some addition to the tradition that happens like this.
Wonderful. And a lot of your pandals also, and we were talking earlier about art and politics and messaging through art, and you've had pandals that have, put the spotlight on the oppressed or certain issues that exist in society.
Basically, it provides economy. And economy, a huge economy. Well, people are working for, not only for the pandals, but for the celebration. They prepare clothes. Even they took a rein for how to just celebrate from the different areas of India and outside. So they provide a huge economy. So this kind of things happens. And the most important thing is the immersion. Always, people, they share their authorship for the renewal for the next generation. That's the most important thing for the Durga Puja.
Wonderful. Congratulations. And can we give the award
Yes,
as well?
Yes, of course we must.
Come, Rohit.
When you do something like this in a public space, like a street, a square, not in a museum, not in a building, how does this feel? I mean, how it's completely open to the people, to the elements, to the air.
That's the most important form of public art. That's the most important area of public art, I think, because we are always trying to take this kind of activities out of the white cube. And that things happens beside the road, beside the streets.
Wonderful. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you all. A big round of applause. Yes, sorry, Rohit. Yes.
I'm just going to say one thing. This is a special award that NDTV has instituted every year. There'll be one public art installation that in a country that celebrates hundreds of festivals. This is the least we can do. And anybody who's been to Calcutta and has seen the magnificent work that happens in the pandals, it's just mind-blowing. I don't think any of our artists would say that is unbecoming of art. Everything done in Calcutta and Durga Puja is pure art, and art, unadulterated art, from the people, for the people.
Absolutely.
Art in the service of faith, which is also...
Two more words. I think we are hungry enough. Still 2 words for us. Because I got many more awards to kiss, but I will carry this award into my heart. Because this award is not for Partha Das Gupta. This award is for the numerous people who shared their craft knowledge, who shared their authorship of art for this great event, Durga Puja Art. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Khub bhalo laglo.
I want to take a moment to thank Karan Pal Singh. Karan owned a large part of NDTV Good Times. As we do this award ceremony here tonight, we have Shankar Ehsan Loy performing in Mumbai. And there's a rocking concert going on. In the way that things were, part of NDTV Good Times was with Karan. I haven't had an opportunity to thank him publicly. I'm delighted that he's here. It's our core belief that you can't build or rebuild a new brand by divorcing yourself from your past legacy. So the fact that he literally gave it back to us, and hopefully we'll build on not just the past legacy, but make more magical moments happen. So Karan, thank you. And we hope to have you for several such awards and concerts.
Thank you very much. But you know, in Good Times is probably in a better place. Stuff like this, you know, promoting the arts. I think the real wealth of this country is in its arts, in its creativity, and I'm really happy that NDTV and Good Times is going to put it in the right place. Thank you.
Thank you for helping us have a good time. So thank you. Come.
Thank you. Thank you so much.